across to our guest. Joining us with me on my right is NV Subhash, spokesperson of the BJP. We also have Suresh Kochatil, I beg your pardon, senior journalist. Shujat Ali is leader of the Congress party. With us is Mir Inayat Ali Bakri, leader of BRS, and of course Saida Falak, leader of MIM. In the peak of the campaign, we're just about 3 days away from the end of the campaign, and once again, 15 minutes, 15 seconds are acquiring center stage. The question is also from MIM. You're feeling threatened by the comments of this particular leader. Why are you feeling threatened? It's only a response to what Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi said. Please respond.
No. Let her take 15 seconds. Let her take... Why 15 seconds? Let her take 15 minutes, 15 hours, 15 days. We are not scared. We are ready. ताकतें तुम्हारी है पर खुदा हमारा है. लाजमी है कि हम ये देखेंगे. The country has given BJP 10 years. And even after 10 years, they are not talking about education, development, infrastructure, women's safety. I think maybe they are scared that they are going to lose these elections. That's why from, every day their leaders are spewing hate against Muslims. From Ghuspetiye, 8-10 बच्चे पैदा करने वाले, Razakar, Jihadi, Pakistani to Muslim reservation, and now 15 seconds, and then we don't know what else they are going to say. How low will the BJP stoop? We are fed up now. We are fed up. How low will they stoop? How they are trying to, in this election, just spread communal hatred among the citizens of India.
Okay. You're spreading communal hatred. That charge coming once again. Would you like to respond to that?
No. See, when, the Bharatiya Janata Party, Narendra Modi government gives a gas connection to a poor people, we don't discriminate whether it is from MIM or BJP or Muslim or Hindu. When we give, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, a house, we don't discriminate. When there is no discrimination on the schemes which have been implemented by Narendra Modi government from 10 years, why is this when a statement in response to the statement which has been given by your own leader, instead of the condemning on that, you are feeling threatened, and then you say that we are.
Okay, that's a fair point. By end of the day, Owaisi has made the statement. You can't run away from that fact. So Mr. Owaisi also made a provocative statement.
I want to respond to his comments. See, all citizens are equal. All are paying taxes.
Right,
so whatever schemes the government is bringing, all will get the benefit. You are bringing laws based on religion, sir.
No religion.
BJP is getting laws based on religion.
Hindu God,
CA is based on religion.
When we talk about Hindu God, you say that.
Discussion. I want to ask Saida a pointed question. Saida, why is it that we see several MIM leaders? It's not just this 15 minutes. We saw Varis Pathan say 15 crores. Why are these kind of open threats being made? Maybe these comments of Navneet Rana are not acceptable. If we assume that, then the comments of Mr. Owaisi and of Mr. Varis Pathan are also not acceptable.
We don't make such comments. We don't make such statements. All the hate speeches come from the BJP leaders.
One second, I'm quoting to you.
Hate speeches come from BJP leaders.
I'm quoting to you what Varis Pathan made. One second, let me read out the exact quote of what Varis Pathan said in 2020 in context of women protesting in Shaheen Bagh against CA. He says, only our lionesses have come out and you are already sweating. Understand what will happen if we come together. We may be 15 crores, but we are heavy on 100 crores. Remember it. हम भारी पड़ेंगे 100 करोड़ पे. तो ये स्टेटमेंट तो दिया है.
See, listen. At that time, protests were happening against CAA. And BJP has targeted only the Muslim community. And so we, according to him, he said 15 crores भारी पड़ेंगे उन लोगों पर जो मुसलमानों को निशाना बना रहे हैं. उन लोगों पर जो हिंदुत्व को लाना चाहते हैं.
100 करोड़ पे बोला मैडम. 100 करोड़ भारी पड़ेंगे. 100 करोड़ पे भारी पड़ेंगे तो सेम चीज नहीं है.
That was his statement. That was his point he tried to make.
But that was also controversial. Suresh, you want to respond to that? You want to respond?
Both the parties are having a communal agenda. Except communal agenda, what they are having? Tell me.
First of all, मैं आपको कांग्रेस के स्पोक्सपर्सन को ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि we are not doing communal politics. जब बीजेपी के लोग हम पे जुल्म माइनॉरिटीज को टारगेट करते हैं ना, तो दैट टाइम ऑलवेज कांग्रेस मेंटेन्स क्रिमिनल साइलेंस. आप लोगों का मुंह नहीं खुलता. देखिए, कर्नाटका में हिजाब बैन बीजेपी ने लाया था. ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर होने को आ रहा. वहां पे कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म हो गई कि आप लोग कांग्रेस ने ऑफिशियली हिजाब बैन को रिवोक किया. आप लोग हमेशा चुप रहते हैं, इसलिए जो है ना हमको आना पड़ता है. और एक पैनलिस्ट ने जो ओल्ड सिटी के डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बोला था, आई वांट टू रेस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. सी, आई वांट टू टेल यू ऑल दैट मेट्रो रेल प्रोजेक्ट हैज बीन स्टार्टेड इन ओल्ड सिटी. रेनोवेशन वर्क्स आर गोइंग ऑन. Many flyovers have been built. An IT tower is going to be constructed in Malakpet. many parks and sports complexes have been opened. So not development is going on, development चल रहा है in every city. इंडिया के हर सिटी में जो है ना, एक पुराना शहर रहता है, एक ओल्ड पार्ट रहता है, एक न्यू पार्ट रहता है. So there will be differences. And if you compare the old city of Hyderabad to other cities old part, then Hyderabad is very much developed. Every city in the country has an old part and a new part.
To respond to that.
I want to bring in one more statement coming from a BJP leader, Ranjit Srivastava. He has said that 5 साल से मोदी जी जो है मुसलमानों को तोड़ने में लगे हुए हैं. अगर इस कंट्री से जो है मुसलमानों की नस्ल को खत्म करना है तो पीएम मोदी को वोट दो. सी, अगर आप लोग इतने बयान रोज आप लोग देते जा रहे हैं तो अपने ऑफिशियली मैनिफेस्टो में बोल दीजिए ना कि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू विन यू विल मेक डिक्लेयर इंडिया एज अ हिंदू राष्ट्र. ये खुलेआम डिक्लेयर कर दीजिए.
Okay, one more aspect before we wrap up this debate, and that is of the EAC, the Economic Advisory Council of the PM. This is a study across the world, not just of India, of the population growth and changes in demography over 65 years, and these are a matter of fact, says the government. Saida, your response to this?
See, first of all, we don't trust that data.
Why?
We are not sure about the authenticity of that data. We are not sure about it. Maybe it has been released by WhatsApp University people, as Asad University has already said.
The PM's Economic Advisory Council has some standing.
Secondly, according
not
to
WhatsApp.
the National Family Health Survey, the fertility rate of Indian Muslims has gone down from 4.4 to 2.4 children per woman. And thirdly, I have read that report, and in that report, India's majority and minority population incline and decline is being compared to Pakistan's and Bangladesh majority and minority incline and decline. So, by comparing our population, majority and minority incline and decline population with that of Pakistan and Bangladesh, will India lead to become the #1 country in the world?
Suresh, respond
what are
to
we
that.
going to get
Why are
from
we
it?
comparing? Okay.
I think the
How is
report.
that,
Okay, can I respond?
Yeah, I want Suresh to respond. Yeah.
The simple thing, this report, as was mentioned, is comparing 130 countries, the status of the majority of population of those countries versus the minority population of those countries. Nepal was there, Pakistan
Yeah,
was there.
specifically Pakistan and Bangladesh.
Can I respond, please? Myanmar was taken. Okay, this is not a study of 10 years. This is a study from 1950 onwards. You can gather data from different sources. You don't need a census. You have so many
what are
surveys
we
that,
going to
Madam,
gain
can I
from
respond, please? This data which you're talking about, please read it. Please read it before
I've
coming.
read it.
No, you have not read it.
Specifically in that
Can you
report,
can you tell me what was
maybe
referred to
all the
Nepal?
countries
Can I
data
tell you?
have
Can I
been
ask you
compared, but
what was
specifically
referred to in
Pakistan
Nepal's
and
population?
Bangladesh?
Nepal's Hindu population is again has suffered the same thing.
Okay.
Myanmar also suffered the same thing.
I agree,
What we are
but
saying
only
is that
specifically those
majority
Hindu countries
population
and Muslim
in 3
countries
countries
have been
around
mentioned.
India.
Okay, ladies and
is
gentlemen, I
dropped.
have to come in now. We are completely out of time. Suresh.